1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, go. I'm from the cold, the sack, not from the sticks. Well, you say you grew up hunting, we were shopping Spencer gifts. Well, you brag that you're a redneck, and I don't doubt that's true.
I'm Allie in the breakfast room of the Downtown Inn and Suites with Dee Stryker here from Nashville. We were actually going to film in the pool behind us, but it's raining, which is great for the pool, I'm sure, but not so much for guitars. So we're hanging out in the breakfast room, and Dee Stryker is going to be performing at Jack of the Wood tonight, but first he's going to take a minute and talk to us. So I was wondering how you ended up choosing yellow as your signature color.
When I first started playing music, the first flyer I made was on yellow paper, and I liked the way it looked and stuck to it. Stuck with it. Strip it down to the core. Are you singing what's real? Or did you make it up 'cause you don't sound sincere?
So tell me about your album, Come Over Here, which is, it's definitely kind of satirical, but there's also this real serious country music side to it. So I'm wondering if you come at the satire more from being a serious fan of country music or kind of laughing at it. I'm
a very serious fan of country music, serious student.
Yeah.
I love country music. It's what I'm passionate about, and so when I write songs that might be satirical, I see something that needs to get poked a little bit. Got a hook, a catchphrase for country radio, from 3 dudes in an office down on Music Road. You got your songs about your track.
I noticed I've been following your Instagram since we planned to do this, and I saw when you took the photo of finding that shirt, and you said that you were going to play it for, or wear the shirt for a few shows. Do you hit up a lot of thrift shops when you're touring?
No, this is actually our first tour ever, and this is the look. This is what I wear. I perform.
See, I feel like as somebody who loves vintage stores, that would be a really fun part about touring, is you get to go to them in a lot of different towns, especially if you had a look that would work for.
Yeah, so I always keep my eye out for new yellow apparel, but so far I haven't found anything that I like more than these ruffles.
It's pretty awesome.
Well, I'm not saying I'm more country, that's not the question that I raise. I'm just saying there's more to it than all your tired cliches.
So you picked a great night to stop through Asheville because we also have Hayes Carl performing as part of Downtown After 5, and then Hank 3 is at the Orange Peel, so lots of country music happening. Do you get the sense that that's something that's really catching on regionally, maybe the whole country, that people are starting to really love country music the way they haven't before?
There's an entire universe of country music. There's the mainstream stuff, and that's certainly very popular, but I think that people crave something that's a little bit different from that, and perhaps a little more traditional sounding that they don't hear on the radio as much, and I'm happy to play that kind of music and get people to come out and hear it. You got a hook, a catchphrase for country radio, from 3 dudes in an office down on